What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and let me show you this image that has been made on Google Gemini and this other image made on Google Gemini. Same prompt, but there is a big difference between this image. This one does not have the Gemini watermark, that is more to center and bigger. And this setting, it's possible to enable or disable directly on Gemini platform. You have no need to use an extra tool or an external tool to upload the image with watermark and remove it. Gemini can create the image without watermark for you with a simple prompt, okay? How to do this? Review the upper right corner of your screen once on Gemini platform, click on the logo type, then into the bottom you're going to be able to see your photo, your name, and this little gear icon. Hover, I'm going to be able to see settings. Click on settings, and right here we're going to be able to see activity, personal information, avatar, usage, gems, public link, theme, subscription, Gemini notebook, and watermark, media watermark. If I set this as on and use the same prompt, just like this, I won't cut a video because Gemini can create the image really fast, so let's see the results. While you wait, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. And as you can see, amazing photo, by the way. Can you see the watermark into the bottom right corner of my screen? Now let me try to disable the watermark. Set this as off. Do the same prompt, and let's wait for the results. While you wait, always remember to do a comment in the case that you have some tool to share, or in the case that you want help in something, feel free to do it. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. Let's wait just a little bit, and image has been created, and as you can see, there is no watermark. Nice, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!